Hello, Super Scholars. So here are some examples of Super Scholar work from yesterday. This is showing you some opinion writing. And based on Zoom and what I've seen so far in your work, most people do like dolphins. They think that they're cute and not as scary as sharks, and also say they're friendly. Here are some examples of flashcards that some friends made. Good job. Okay, guys, today you're going to be learning to find the author's message. The way you know you've got it is when you can describe the lesson that you've learned or the moral of a story. And we're also going to be talking about who helps you. Here's a video that you guys can watch about helpers and some vocabulary for this week. Inspire. To inspire is to make someone want to do something. The smell of breakfast inspires the children to get out of bed. A Zoom meeting with your teacher may inspire you to get out of bed. And distance. I think this is a word that we have probably heard too much lately. Distance is how far one thing is from another, or the space between two things. The distance between Joe and the tree is 5 feet. And we've been hearing a lot about how we should stay 6 feet away from people who aren't in our family or household just to be safe during our COVID-19 times. All right, guys, so today we're going to be reading a story that's from your Reader's Writer's Workshop book, and you may remember your word list that are at the beginning of the story. So today I want you guys to look at these words over here, and you can also click this link, and it's going to take you to a spelling website with lots of different games that you can choose from down here. I actually played a Dragon Adventure spelling game earlier on there, so you can check that out. But when you click this picture or this word, it'll take you to that website where you can practice your spelling words. And then you're going to listen to the story today that is read to you here in this video. And I want you to think about what lessons the author wants you to learn. So be thinking, what's the author's purpose for writing this? Why did they write this? What did they want me to learn? And how do I know this? So when we want to learn a lesson from a story, the author's purpose or the reason for writing the story can really help us to figure that out. And if you're a text detective and looking for that evidence in the words of the story, you can figure out the author's purpose and the lesson that you're supposed to learn. So right here, they were text detectives and found right here where it says, families love you and teachers help you learn. So that's one of the clues right here. Another one is that doctors, nurses, and safety helpers keep you healthy and safe. Also right there from the text. So then they decided that that means the author's purpose, the reason this author wrote this book, is to let you know that there are many ways people can help you. So I want you guys to write about what you think you've learned from the story. Maybe it's the same, maybe it's different. What's a lesson that you've learned? You can draw and write about it here. It does say to use evidence from the text. So you might want to rewatch this video where the story's read to you, and you might want to click it, and maybe when you're on a certain page right here, maybe you want to write about this part of it. You can make that big and keep it on pause, and then you can write those words from the text on your paper. That's how you use text evidence, just like they did right here. All right, so that's your reading work for today. I hope you guys have fun, and I really hope you enjoy some of these spelling games. I think they looked fun. Like you saw, I played one earlier, but then I had to get back to work. So you guys get to have fun with your spelling work today. All right, have a great day, everybody. See you later.